Our moisture-rich brightening mask is a part of our Renew collection. Masks add a much-needed moisture to dull and dehydrated skin. Our moisture-rich brightening mask is amazing because it has encapsulated vitamin C. This encapsulated vitamin C liposome penetrates deeper into your skin to brighten and prevent premature aging. After your skin is cleansed, apply 2 pumps of the moisture-rich brightening mask all over your face. After the allotted 20 minutes, you would like to remove your mask with an organic Suki facial cloth. For optimum results, use 2 to 3 times a week. And know your beauty.